In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your app size on your iPhone. You can simply zoom in to increase your text size, app size, and also your preview screen size in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of display and brightness. On the display page, you will have to scroll down onto the last option of display zoom. Select on longer text. Then press done. Your apps and texts will get zoomed to a larger size. This in most cases helps people with eye problems to see everything clearly. You can undo the add feature at any time. That's how easy it is to increase the size of texts and app icons on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.